In this session, I would like to introduce another user case: how organizations can use norming asset tracking solution to track the asset request and return. Organizations may have assets shared or moved between employees or departments, and they would like an approval workflow to know the reason why employees request for the assets. We have one client in education. They have more than 1,000 staff and students who frequently request for the education equipment. They cannot track the asset status efficiently with the manual process, which causes the assets or equipment cannot be returned on time and cause operational delays or security risk. The solution I'm showing today with the combination of norming resource manager and asset tracking module. The solution provides complete audit trail for each asset being requested and being returned. The asset manager can check the asset status in real time. They can get detailed information like when the asset been requested and the estimated return time. With the solution, their asset utilization has been greatly improved. Now I'm showing you how Resource Manager customer requisition can be configured flexible enough to meet all clients' requirements. The asset request will go through 4 stages. The requester will submit an asset request. Supervisor will review on the request and make approvals. Store manager will check whether they have assets that are free to assign. And after the asset being assigned, the requester will acknowledge the receiving of the asset. The requester can log in the norming web portal with their email address or user ID. Customer requisition allows users to submit requests with user-defined fields and workflows. That means if you have any requisitions, you can think about the customer request. You can create customer forms, all based on your business requirements. We already created a form for the asset request. The user can click into the form for a new asset request. They can enter the descriptions like the purposes of requesting this asset. And they can specify a generic item category, like a laptop for the IT equipment. Click Submit for the approver's review. He can check the audit trail for the current approver. That's his supervisor. The current approver will be highlighted in the blue color. We can now log in as the supervisor to review the request. The manager will receive an email notification, and he can go to his to-do list to see the details. He can approve or reject the request with comments. And now let's move to the store manager. In his to-do list, he will get every request from the staff or the students. He will check whether there is asset that is available for the allocation, because the web portal has direct integration with Sage 300. So all assets in the asset management module can be listed in the customer request form. You can use optional fields to track the asset status. The asset status can be auto-updated when the asset been requested or been returned. Store manager can only pick the asset that has not been allocated. The serial number can also be auto-populated. He can specify a sub-location as necessary and choose the request start date. He can add more nodes for audit requirements. He can take a picture of the laptop and attach it to the asset request. That helps the store manager to know the current condition when the asset has been requested. Add comments for approval or rejection. The final step is the requester needs to log in the web portal to accept he has received the laptop. He can double-check the serial number and the pictures. And make acceptance. After the asset has been fully received, go back to the asset request form. You will find the web portal provides full audit information. It captures every step of the approval without detailed comments. In Sage 300, you will find the asset status now been changed to assigned. The store manager cannot reassign the same asset to another person. When the requester decides to return the asset, it can go through a different workflow. Requester will log in the web portal to submit a return request. Click into the asset return form. Choose the asset to return. It only shows the asset that has been requested by this user. The serial number will be auto-populated. Double-check the serial number and give the reason why you need to return the laptop. For example, I returned from the conference. Choose the estimate return time. And now it goes to the manager for review. Log in the web portal as the manager. Check the return request in details and make approvals. After the store manager receives the laptop, he needs to log in the web portal for acceptance. He can specify the date when the asset has been returned. Take another picture and upload it to the web portal when the asset has been returned. Add additional comments as necessary. Add sublocation and the person who returned the laptop. Click Approve to accept the return of the laptop. He can check all the return requests that have been approved in the web portal with full audit information. And in Sage 300, the fixed asset status will be updated. Now it's available to be assigned to a new requester. And with the asset tracking report in the Sage 300, you will be able to know how many people and who request the asset and when this asset has been returned. Okay, I hope with the norming solution, you will have better asset tracking experience.